Hey everybody, what's up? In this video, we are going to check laptop battery health on our Windows. So let's just dive right in and get started. So the best and the built-in Windows method is you can press Windows plus X and go to Terminal, Admin, this one right here, or Command Prompt. And opening up the admin version, you need to use that. And there just type in this command right here, powercfg / battery report, and hit enter. And when you do, you will be finding this section right here. It will create a report and show you a file path. So it is in my C drive, so you can open it up. Go to your C drive and go over to your users, ASO, and battery. So it is on users, ASO, and under there you should be finding option for battery report. You can look out for it, and there is your battery report right there. So you can just go over and look out for it. You can look out for your design capacity, this one right here, your full charge capacity, and this is how you look out for it. And you can just go over and decode your battery health from this section right here. And that is it. It should usually show you your battery drain, your app uses, your charging behavior, etc. And that is how you check it out. So this is how you do it. It is pretty quick and easy if you want to look out for it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.